Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can recover private album photos in Redmi. So, if by recovering private album photos you mean restoring erased picture from a hidden album, you will first need to launch your gallery app. Now open albums, scroll down and enter the deleted items section. Here you will find both regular as well as hidden photos that have been erased or deleted in the past 30 days, as you can see. And the way you can tell that this one has been deleted from the private album is that the preview won't load unless I input my privacy password. Here is the photo that I've erased. Now if you would like to, recover it, once again, I guess you can just select it and recover like that. Yep, so select the photo and press restore. If by recovering private album photos you mean recover them and return them from private album to your regular available gallery, you may want to, once again, open the album section. Now scroll all the way to the bottom or swipe downwards until the release to open private folder prompt appears and input your privacy password to access your private album. Now select the photo you would like to recover or restore, remove from private album or unprivate. And then, once the picture or pictures is or are selected, press remove from private album option at the bottom. Now, choose which album you would like to, move it to. I'll go with screenshots and screen recordings. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.